Hello, Ma. Hi. Good evening.
Hi, good evening, good
So,
evening.
yeah, in this
How are
lockdown,
you?
I'm stuck in Chennai. You're all in Trichy, so really missing
Yes,
family.
yes, what to do?
Yeah,
Fate, it's a real fate.
yeah. So I thought of initiating few things in this lockdown, in this quarantine
Okay,
period, being in home,
okay,
doing something
hmm,
useful. So,
okay.
I just want to start my YouTube channel, and yeah, I
Oh,
want to start.
great. All the best.
Thank you. And
Hmm,
I want to start my
okay,
first video with you. So that is the main reason for this call. And thank you so
thanks a
much
lot.
for your time.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So as you're a teacher, right? So this, I want your advice. What you advise students in this lockdown period, because this lockdown is going to keep on going for a long time now. It will not
Yes,
end very soon. So what is your suggestion for students, school students, right, particularly?
they have to take their own initiative. They should not depend upon others. They should not depend upon others stressing that you have to study like that. Not that. They have to take their own responsibility. Okay, as I used to say always, whenever a hungry person is very hungry, he will eat the food, is it not? So like that, the thirst of knowledge should come from the student. Only then he will take the initiative and he will develop a lot. I hope you agree with this.
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
Yeah.
I do. I very
So
do
what
agree.
he has to do is he has to draft his own timetable of what to do and what not to do. And as I used to tell you already that they can learn a word a day, is it not? A word. So you imagine if a child is learning a word a day, if he is 10 years old, is it not? So 10 years into 365, imagine he will be learning 3650 words. Yes, the
That is
usage of the
correct.
words,
That is correct.
antonyms and synonyms, and making the words in the sentence like that. So that will make him to develop his career, to develop his vocabulary, okay, and not to think that his own imagination as becoming an engineer like that, not like that. He can equip himself nicely. Is it not? In this trending world, he has to keep space with the others. So for
Okay.
that, he has to take the initiative and he has to build himself. He should not
Uh,
depend upon others to building everything. And instead of watching all the unnecessary and unwanted channels in the TVs and the videos, everything, can do it usefully, is it not? As you are doing, I hope this is the correct time. I thought after 30 years you have started this YouTube channel. So like that, and you can you remember one thing?
After
Just
30
4 days
years,
before,
yeah, I am stepped
yeah,
into this world for 30 years now. Yeah, you're right.
30 years. And you know one thing, that is 13/6/1990 only I started my career in Trichy.
Mhm.
So 30 year of experience is completing by now. This is 13/6
Wow.
2020.
Wow.
Okay. So like that, you should also do something as you are doing. It is not too late to develop for one, is it not? So they have to take the initiative, and moreover, you should guide them properly. Whenever any children or any student is sitting with these gadgets, they have to guide them properly. Just
Mm.
switching off all the unwanted videos and everything. It's not. That is also a link given. How to switch off all the unwanted videos like that. They have to go to the Play Store and they have to do something. It seems some settings has to be done so that they will not be viewed. All the unnecessary, unwanted videos cannot be viewed like that. And they can also develop a small skill based activities like small handwork like that they can develop, which will even earn for them a living life. They can do some paper covers and they can give it in the local market and they can earn a living, is it not? So as you used to do in your own school days,
Mm.
what you used to do, you
We
used to do
used to,
something, is it not? Something you have to do. We
yeah,
have to struggle a lot.
yeah.
I can imagine the times when we were striving very hard even for 50 pies. Yes,
Yes,
even
I
that
can
we are
imagine.
not at all forgetting even now. So
Yes,
that will be taken as a past, a green glory memory, and we have to do a lot. Okay. And last but not the least, I want to quote Abdul Kalam's wordings.
mm.
Even now not இப்போதும் இல்லைன்னா இனிமே எப்படி நடக்கும் like that. So even now it is not too late. You can start it as soon as possible like that.
Okay,
So the
okay.
students who are not at all utilizing anything properly, let them see your channel first and
Mm.
let them take the initiative, and so that even some millions and millions of people will be viewing yours. At least even if one person comes positive, not corona positive, I'm telling. One person turns to be a positive member, then
Yes.
that will build up a lot, is it not?
Yeah, right. So it's
Okay,
not
then
the
all the best.
last but not least, right? So there's some more to
Ah,
talk. So there are some college going students as well. So as a
hmm,
teacher, you see all the
ah,
students equally. So how
ah.
you see college going students and how their lives are affected these days. So your thoughts on that,
Yes.
because college life completely depends on their career as well. Right? So the
Yes,
career completely
and in
depends on the
some
career.
colleges, I have heard in some other private colleges, they are not at all going to hold any exams for semester exams. Only for the final year students, they are going to hold the exams. And for all the other students, they are going to see their own old marks and then they are going to be promoted for the next year like that.
Mm.
So they should also do some other course like even nowadays, no, we are having a umpty number of courses in the laptop. Whatever you want, even a single course you can do. They can even learn many languages. They can learn, is it not? Those were the times we used to go for a tuition teacher to learn a language. For example, Hindi, Sanskrit, like that, everything. But nowadays, if you have a laptop, or not even a laptop, if you have a mobile phone at least, you can take any language like German, French, like that. Is it not? Instead of sailing in own same boat, old boat, they can come out of their arena and they can learn some languages which will be useful for them, is it
Right.
not? And moreover, they have to take care for the physique also. They have to do some workouts instead of staying at home simply eating and sleeping. That will make a big tomboy like that. So instead,
Right.
they have to do some physical activities like just like cycling, and not cycling means not outside. They can do it inside the house, inside the street. They can do it. Yes or no?
No,
Near the ground, anywhere it's
I
near the
would
ground.
suggest not to come outside of the house itself.
Not to come outside,
So
but
even
inside the
not
house, they
cycling,
are, if
right?
they are.
See, inside the
Uh,
house itself, there are a lot many things to do
uh,
apart from cycling.
yes.
So I would
So
suggest
they
them
can
to
do
do
like
that,
that.
right? Because
Yes.
cycling, anyway, they have to step into the street. Running, they have to step into the street. So I
Yes.
would
Not
suggest,
running. Not even in the streets. They can do go around their houses and all if they're having space.
and
I hope no house is having space nowadays. Many
right,
apartments have come up. Is it not?
correct,
They can
correct.
walk inside the house or even at the top floor. They can have. No, if they're having empty space, they can have it there.
Right,
Is it
but
not?
one of my guru suggestion I would also like to mention here, right? So when you
Uh,
said walk in the top of the house, so you should
uh,
not even walk in the top of the house also these days
oh,
in the evening time. So even if you want
oh,
to walk or run in the top floor, you have to do it
hmm,
between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. Between that time, nobody will
uh,
be utilizing it in your neighborhood and the
okay.
balconies or windows,
Hmm,
because in India you can see people sitting outside in the
hmm,
balconies, even
hmm,
from a window people spit outside, right? So
okay.
that keeps
Hmm.
happening in India, which we cannot change it. That's
Yeah, that they have to take
which
as
we
a
cannot
blessing from
deny.
God.
Yeah, that's a truth which we cannot deny. So I would
Yes, yes,
suggest,
yes.
don't go to your top floor also, be inside
Hmm,
your room. Even in the
hmm.
small space of 10 by 10 room, you can do a lot of workout. So I would suggest to do
Okay,
that rather going to
okay,
top floor or something. In between, I missed out
okay.
something, like I missed out, 11th and 12th standard students, right?
Uh,
And even 10th standard students, I see that they are getting passed without even writing their exams. So before,
yes.
even if you score a good mark, it is very difficult to get a good group in 11th and 12th. So now, how that is going to come? Do you have any idea about that?
Yeah, their mark or grade is based only upon the quarterly and half-yearly marks. Those
Okay.
children, no, they will be taking care only for the annual exam and they'll be studying a lot. For
Hmm.
quarterly and half-yearly, they'll skip a lot.
Right.
So they are going to face the consequences why they have skipped. So only for that, we teachers, we say that you have to do the studies regularly, bit by bit,
Consistency.
each
Maintain
and every
consistency.
day. Yes, each and every day you have to learn. Only that will help you a lot. But
Hmm.
some people, those have not followed that, they have to face the consequences, face the result. Okay.
Hmm.
So like that, they have to suffer a lot. Nowadays, no good marks will be coming for them. At
Hmm.
least in the annual exam, they'll be scoring very high marks. But in the quarterly or half yearly marks, even the schools, they are having their own restrictions not to
Yes.
put high marks like that. So
Hmm.
all the marks are being recorded already. So the school, they cannot, they are helpless now. They have to enter the same marks
Hmm. Hmm.
like that.
Hmm.
And the going students like 11th and 12th standard going students, they can do their home studies, like they can have their laptop and have the internet facilities. They can learn on their own. Some internet facilities are there, some online classes are already there apart from their school classes. they are fixing some online classes. Even my grandson, no, Lakshan, he is doing online class for junior KG itself. So you remember that you have to what you have to feel for that why that even 11th and 12th standard students they can't go for the online class. It's not, but there are some foreign controversies against the online class because when a child is seeing the mobile, his eyesight will be affected like that. It is not at all like that. Okay, all the online classes, the maximum duration is only 40 to 45 minutes and not more than that. Okay, so that is my suggestion regarding 11th and 12th standard students. And moreover, the government is suggesting that they are going to reduce the portions. I don't know till how far they are going to reduce. So the only trouble is only for the teachers. I don't know how they are going to handle the classes because I don't know when they are going to open the schools and when they are going to announce the syllabus, everything.
Okay.
So it is all in a dilemma.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Good. So it was really nice to know, more about and nice suggestions coming from you on the students, for the students, for school students, and who are in 11th and 12th. So I hope the information from you will be really helpful for them. And
And moreover, they can also land in some projects. No? They can have some projects done on their own, and they can publish it in some channels, like as if in a YouTube channel like that. So that will fetch him a good reputation, like not
of
a money.
course,
I'm
these
telling.
days,
They get
there are a lot
knowledge.
of platforms for
Uh,
them in online and web,
yes.
right? www web. So World Wide Web.
Hmm.
There are a lot of platforms for them to publish their own projects and their own work. So even you may think that you are not recognized in your society, in your family. Please feel free to come out of it and publish it in the web so that many people will see that. And
Yeah, there are some persons who are watching the person's progress and everything, is it not? So if it
absolutely.
is a nice, catchy person, they can lift you up in their life.
Absolutely. And you should
Okay.
inspire others to do the same as well. So in their lockdown
Yes.
period, instead of,
Sure.
thinking of being alone, how far I'll be alone. So instead of that, I would
Having
suggest,
frustrated, they should also not be frustrated like
I am not
frustrations.
frustrated. I am not frustrated, right?
I'm not telling you, I'm telling the
Yeah.
guys. I'm telling
Yeah.
the guys, okay?
Yeah.
They should
Right.
not be frustrated and they should not think that they're all always alone like that. Each and
Yeah.
everybody is alone in the world. Okay.
Absolutely. So instead of
Ah,
thinking of being alone and what's going to happen tomorrow, today, next minute, rather think that what you have right now in hand, right? And try to be minimalistic. That is what I am these days. So I am trying to be minimalistic as much as I can with managing with some, 3 to 4 t-shirts in a week, and
a limited resource, like limited resource.
yeah, with limited resources, with sufficient resources, right? With sufficient
Yeah, of course.
resources. Yeah. So
Ah.
that's how I am running these days. So try to do something like this and inspire others
Sure.
and make others to do something which will motivate others also, to come up in their lives. So yeah, it was really nice chatting with
and
you. I hope this
and
will be
moreover
helpful for others.
they have to, just a minute, they have to enjoy every moment of their life. They have to live every moment of their life.
Yeah.
They should gain an experience with their life. Okay,
Yeah.
so this experience will never come again in their life. Okay, so ask them to experience their own life, to live every moment. Okay,
That's true.
God
Yeah.
bless you.
Yeah. Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
God bless you.